remember, we don't gotta press that hard. Just kind of let the paper do the work. The whole point of the prep, like when you're doing this, is to make sure you're not like hitting the paint and sanding that down. And even like when you feel it, you can feel like the rough patches. You just go ahead and dunk it again. We'll fast forward through this because I know you probably don't want to sit here watching the whole sanding process, but basically you're just going to go side to side, up and down. You want to just basically get all this yellow or dark colored. It'll eventually become like a clear white foam. And that's how you know it's done. Alright, so now you see how it all went from yellow to like a white foamy. So we're going to rinse those off, clean them with alcohol, dry them, and then we'll polish. So you got them that nice foggy white look. This still has to get rinsed off. We gotta clean this with some alcohol now, and then we'll polish it up. Of course, messed up the camera angle. I wish I had a cameraman. Alright, we're getting this done. All things will come in time, right? Alright. Really humid after the rain. It heats up and then gets all over glasses and face. Kind of a pain in the ass. But that's okay. Florida's got that weather where you're basically drinking your sweat while you're working outdoors, man. Alright, so what we're gonna do is check like our scratches now, make sure this like polish them up. That's what we use the ultra cut compound for. Wow, right? So we'll hit it one more time, mainly focus like right in here. Let's see, scratches. This. Right there, you see all that. Everything else came out nice. Came out like glass. Alright, I'm gonna hit that a second time and then we'll polish it. Alright. So the camera really doesn't do it any justice, but you can see the difference in the polish versus the cut. Like you can still see like little imperfections, but like once you put the polish on, it just looks like brand new. So we're gonna finish this light and then we're done. And now I learned this, man. I'm loving this. I'm loving the way this comes out. I'm gonna have to do like all my cars now. All my family cars, all my friends' cars.